Imagine hiking to the top of a remote volcano at dawn and discovering 3 crater lakes that look like they belong on another planet. One turquoise blue, one emerald green, one blood red. And here's the crazy part. These colors can completely change overnight, sometimes in days. But this beauty hides a deadly secret. One wrong step, and you could be boiled alive or dissolved in acid. Welcome to Kelimutu volcano in Indonesia, the place where nature literally changes its mood, and it might kill you. Stick around, because this gets wild. Mount Kelimutu has not 1, not 2, but 3 summit crater lakes, sitting right next to each other. The western one is Tiwu Ata Mbupu, the lake of old people, usually a deep, calming blue that feels almost serene. Next to it lies Tiwu Nua Muri Ku Tai, the lake of young men and maidens, often glowing green or turquoise, like liquid emerald under the sun. And then there's the third, Tiwu Ata Polo, the bewitched or enchanted lake, the one that turns blood red or even jet black, as if the water itself is angry. So why do these lakes change color so unpredictably? It all comes down to extreme volcanic chemistry happening deep beneath the surface. Submerged fumaroles, underwater vents, release hot gases like sulfur dioxide and steam, constantly pushing mineral-rich water from the bottom up, mixing everything in a never-ending churn. When oxygen levels are low, the water turns blue or green, almost like deoxygenated blood. When oxygen surges and iron minerals react, the lakes can suddenly turn blood red or cola black. Sulfur and other dissolved elements create those bright greens and turquoises that make people stop and stare. The water is also extremely acidic, with a pH measured as low as 0.5 in one lake, strong enough to burn skin on contact and dissolve flesh rapidly. Temperatures stay hot, with constant bubbling and rising steam plumes. And here's the unsettling part. In 2025, the lakes showed real signs of unrest. Water temperatures in one crater spiked dramatically from around 25 degrees Celsius to over 36 degrees Celsius in late August. Sulfur smells became overpowering. Gas and steam plumes rose up to 5 meters or more, and the surface bubbled aggressively. The volcano is officially still at level 1, normal, alert. But it's clearly stirring, like a sleeping giant starting to wake. But this paradise is deadly. The acidity can literally dissolve flesh if you fall in. Toxic volcanic fumes cause serious breathing problems and eye irritation. And without warning, phreatic explosions, sudden violent steam blasts, have erupted here in the past. In 1995, a Dutch tourist slipped and plunged into one of the lakes, Tiwu Nua Muri Ku Tai. Rescuers spotted bubbles and small fountains rising from the surface for days, but the body was never recovered. After nearly a week of dangerous searches with ropes and oxygen masks, they had to give up. And for the local people, this place is far more than just geology. It's sacred. They believe the lakes are the final resting place of souls after death. Blue is reserved for wise elders who lived good lives. Green is for young men and maidens full of vitality. Red or black is for the bewitched, or those with evil spirits. Some say the colors shift when the ancestors grow restless. Others believe the lakes can even foretell future events. Even today, villagers leave sacred offerings at the crater's edge to keep the spirits at peace. To see them with your own eyes, you have to hike in complete darkness, starting around 3 to 4 a.m. to catch the sunrise glow. Thick fog rolls in, the trails turn treacherously slippery, and the air reeks strongly of sulfur. One wrong step near the crater rim, and it's a long, fatal drop into hot, acidic water. Would you risk it for views like this? Comment yes or no, and tell me why in the comments below. Kelimutu isn't just a volcano. It's nature's living mood ring. Beautiful, mysterious, and potentially lethal. If you loved this deep dive into one of Earth's strangest wonders, smash that like button, subscribe for more extreme, deadly places that will blow your mind, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload.